Jimmy came on my lap. I didn't do that. Right? You went outside for a walk? Jimmy? Okay, he don't like me talking. Jimmy. Jimmy. There's a noise outside that's irritating him. See? He reacts from different sounds. He hears the ice melting. People are yelling outside. He was just licking me for the longest time. And he's reacting to the sound outside, so he bites me when he hears noise. Ow! Jimmy! Let's see. Jimmy. Hey! I don't know what's going on. Okay, go, 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 go. Go. He's getting really pissed off from the noise outside. It's crazy. Hey, look at this. Look at everybody's gonna see you, Jimmy. Stop. Stop, baby. Stop. Ow! Jimmy! My God. Okay. And you see I'm not talking with my hands or anything. I keep trying to hide it. But he's eyeing up the boot. Jimmy! See? Oh, man. He hasn't attacked me in a long time. You know, he bites here and there, but nothing like this again. But there was a dog barking outside and somebody yelling. And then, like, the snow's melting and dripping. And he was just up here on my lap, licking me for the longest time. And then the attack. That's so crazy.